This year we really focused on the training village. We wanted to have as many residents and fellows as possible in order to teach and support young staff, young residents. I am so passionate about trying to give the knowledge, transfer the knowledge to the young generation.
I was selected to give an oral presentation for my poster, but more importantly, this is a platform where you get to meet all the leaders in the field, new innovations, and learn what's going on and what's coming. So it's very exciting to be here to learn. I think the biggest thing about being an STS member is just the amount of information and learning you can get. That's our biggest potential, just to collaborate and learn from each other.
There are extremely renowned coronary surgeons here that share their tips and tricks. It's a great networking opportunity. And yesterday there were very, very good hands-on training stations for us to learn directly from them.
Being around these experts makes me rethink a surgery that I'm doing every single day. Everybody's building upon each other, and to go back home and integrate the techniques that I've learned and just little tweaks and tips. But then also STS has such a focus on quality improvement and research that that's how I practice every day. How can I improve this operation for this patient? And then how can we improve this operation for patients in the cardiac community going forward?